In this section, we'll talk about angle bisectors and how they're related. And we'll begin by looking at a Geometry Sketchpad file. Here's triangle ABC. I will draw in the angle bisector of angle A, and the angle bisector of angle B, and the angle bisector of angle C. Now, you should notice that they are concurrent. Okay, no matter how I move this, they will stay concurrent. Okay, and this point of concurrency is called the incenter. Now, I like that word because it's always inside the triangle. Okay, so the incenter is always inside the triangle, and the interesting thing about the incenter, it is the same distance away from all three sides. Okay, now the way you measure distance between a point and a line is the distance perpendicular to that line. Okay, so if we measure the distance away from the lines, it'll always be the same distance. So here is the concurrency of angle bisectors theorem. The bisectors of the angles of the triangles are concurrent at a point equidistant, meaning the same distance from the sides of the triangle. Okay, like I said, that point of concurrency is called the incenter. Okay, and the incenter is always inside the triangle. Okay, also, because it's the same distance away from all three sides, you could inscribe a circle inside the triangle, meaning if you had a circle with the incenter as the center, and the radius is the distance between the incenter and a side, then that circle would perfectly touch all three sides of the triangle. Okay, one question is if GE is 2x minus 7 and GF is x plus 4, then what is GD? Okay, now if we know that G is the incenter, which we do, then it'll be the same distance away from all three sides, meaning that GE is equal to GF. Okay, so I'll substitute 2x minus 7 is equal to x plus 4. Okay, and I'll solve this equation by subtracting x from both sides. Okay, and then I'll add 7 to both sides. And x is equal to 11. Okay, now although I found x, that's not my answer. Okay, the question is, what is GD? Okay, now I'm not given GD in either of these, but I know they're all the same length. So I'll take that and plug that into whichever equation I think is easier. Now I think that this one looks a little bit easier. Okay, so GF is equal to x plus 4, but I'll plug 11 into x. 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. Okay, so GF is equal to 15. And since GD is the same length as GF, then GD must also be equal to 15.